Oh, what is poppin', Team DWC? It's your boy TWP Popcorn. Y'all know what we're gonna do. We're gonna hit the butter. And we're gonna slide into a video. So y'all already know where we're gonna go first. You heard TSM, you get the intro from him. He better hit different. And it hit different. So what up? Y'all know how we do random video throughout the week sometimes. Maybe, I don't know, it was raining outside, so I wasn't going to work. Another story for another day. Those who know, you know. That's what's popping. Anyways, let's get back off of this. Go over to what we're going to look into today. And yes, it's this weird little robot. Y'all might be seeing it. I had time to do it, so I'm going to do it. Let's see.
Today, I'm going to be showing you how to get Nightbot into your YouTube live stream chat. To start, you're going to go to nightbot.tv and you're going to click sign up and log in with your YouTube account. From here, you're going to allow it. And then once you're in your dashboard, you're going to join the channel. Then you're going to open the community settings tab. Then you're going to take the link here, you're going to copy it. And then you're going to paste it into the moderators. You're going to click enter. And then you're going to hit Nightbot. You're going to save those settings. And then you're going to need to go live. Nightbot only joins streams that are live. Every time you go live, Nightbot will take up to 5 minutes to appear in your chat. So please bear with it as it will be detected. In the meantime, we can go ahead and set up some basic commands so that Nightbot has something to answer to once we're ready. So for example, we can do a Discord command. So if somebody is in the chat and wants to join your Discord, they can do that. So we can make the command !Discord. And then here is where you can put the Discord invite link. In this case, it's going to be discord.gg/nightdev. And if you do join this Discord, if you are having any trouble, it'll invite you to our community Discord where you can get any kind of support that you need. Next, we can adjust the user level so we can allow different people to use the commands that we are creating. In this case, I want to allow everyone to use this command, and the command can be executed every 5 seconds if somebody wanted to. And then we're going to submit it. Now that we have our first command, we can go ahead and create timers. What timers do is they allow you to remind people in the chat to make sure that they are subscribed or make sure to like the live stream or whatever you prefer. So we can go and add a timer. We'll call it reminder. We'll say every 15 minutes we can have that execute, and after every 2 chat lines. All right, so we can submit the timer reminder. So all in the meantime, we've been live. We've been live for about 2 minutes. So we can go ahead and try to see if Nightbot is in the chat now. So we can go ahead and execute our command that we did earlier. And see if Nightbot has joined the channel yet. If not, like I said, it could take up to 5 minutes. All right, and that actually only took a little bit shy of 3 minutes for Nightbot to join the stream. But once it did see that I typed that Discord command, it responded. You can also do song requests and do auto DJ with the chat. And you can look at the default commands that are automatically on, and you can turn them on or off if you'd like. From here, you can also adjust spam protection. So if you don't want people to be able to spam capitalization or links or symbols, or you can block wistful words and phrases, you can do all of that from this tab. And that is the basics on how to get Nightbot into your YouTube live stream.